Hello everyone, welcome back to World Insurance Explain. In our first video, we talked about what insurance is and why it matters. But today, we're answering an even more important question. Backhand index pointing right, what types of insurance actually exist? And which ones do you really need? Because here's the truth. Most people don't lose money because insurance is expensive. They lose money because they choose the wrong type of insurance or none at all. In this beginner-friendly video, you'll learn the main types of insurance, what each type is designed to protect, and how to understand which insurance fits your life. If insurance feels confusing or overwhelming, don't worry. By the end of this video, everything will be clear. Let me ask you something important. If insurance exists to protect people, why do millions of families still face financial disaster every year? The answer is simple. They were protected in the wrong way. They had insurance, but not the right type of insurance. Let's fix that today. Life insurance is often misunderstood, but it is one of the most powerful financial tools. Life insurance protects your family's future if you are no longer there. If you pass away, the insurance company pays a lump sum to your family. This money can help with monthly living expenses, children's education, rent or mortgage payments, loans and debts. Here's an important truth. Backhand index pointing right, life insurance is not for you. Backhand index pointing right, it is for the people who depend on you. Real life scenario. Imagine a father who earns money for his family. If something unexpected happens to him, income stops instantly. But bills don't stop. Life insurance replaces that lost income. In countries like the United States, life insurance is often used as a financial safety net, especially for families with children. Without life insurance, families often rely on loans, charity, or selling assets. Life insurance doesn't remove pain, but it removes financial chaos. Health insurance covers medical expenses when you get sick or injured. It usually includes hospital stays, doctor visits, medicines, surgeries, emergency treatment. Medical costs are one of the top reasons people go into debt, especially in countries like the US. Simple reality. An emergency can happen anytime, and medical bills can destroy savings overnight. Health insurance allows you to focus on healing, not worrying about money. Example, a simple surgery can cost thousands of dollars. With health insurance, most of that cost is covered based on your policy. Backhand index pointing right, health insurance protects your body and your bank account. Vehicle insurance covers cars, motorcycles, other personal vehicles. It usually protects against accidents, damage, theft, third-party injuries or damage. In many countries, vehicle insurance is legally required. Driving without it can lead to heavy fines or legal trouble. Example, if you crash your car or damage someone else's vehicle, insurance helps pay for repairs and legal responsibility. Without vehicle insurance, one accident can turn into a financial nightmare. Backhand index pointing right, vehicle insurance protects your vehicle, your money, and your legal safety. Your home is likely your biggest investment. Home or property insurance protects it from risks like fire, flood, theft, storms, and natural disasters. Example, if a fire damages your house, home insurance helps pay for repairs or rebuilding. In many developed countries, banks even require home insurance before approving a mortgage. Backhand index pointing right, home insurance protects years of hard work in one policy. Business insurance is for anyone who runs shops, offices, online businesses, freelance or service businesses, can cover property damage, employee injuries, legal claims, business interruptions. Example, if a customer sues your business or a fire damages your shop, business insurance helps you survive financially. Backhand index pointing right, business insurance protects income, reputation, and future growth. Many beginners believe one insurance covers everything. Crossmark. Insurance is a waste of money. Crossmark. Reality, different risks need different protection. The right insurance saves money long term. Now you understand the main types of insurance and why each one matters. In our next video, we'll explain Backhand index pointing right how life insurance works, premiums, policies, and claims made simple. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to World Insurance Explain, and share it with someone who needs this knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.